we are going to start with yellow. And let's not forget, we have orange, red, and pink on one side and the identical on the other side. So let's go ahead and start with yellow, and we are going to tie it right here. Now that I tied the yellow here, I'm going to grab yellow and move it to the front. Yellow gets removed out of the way. Now we're going to tie orange, meaning orange is going to get tied below yellow. Let's go ahead and tie it right here. Orange is tied. Now it's time to bring yellow back down because again, orange is below yellow. Yellow is now on top of orange, and what we're going to do is split it in half. Orange is going to come through in between the two yellow halves, and I'm going to remove orange and put it on top, putting it away. From here, you're going to grab red, join it with yellow as one. So yellow and red become as one. Another way to look at it is you can tie yellow here, and after you tie yellow, you bring the red to the middle to be below orange. But why do two steps when you can just do one? So we brought yellow down, and now we're going to bring red to yellow and tie them together. For all purposes, yellow and red is now one. All right, since it is below orange, orange comes back down. It finds itself above yellow and red. We're going to split this one in half. And here we're going to bring red and yellow as one above, out of the way. Orange and pink are going to become one. Again, you can either tie orange by itself right here and then gather the pink to come to the middle, or you can do it as one. So therefore, I'm going to grab my pinks to join my orange and tie it right here. So now we can consider orange and pink as one section. It is below yellow and red, so we're going to bring yellow and red back down. To keep moving forward, we're going to split yellow and red into two and bring it behind orange and pink. Orange and pink is going to come up and away, and we're going to tie it right here. And we're going to keep doing this until we run out of hair. So now this is below orange and pink. This will come back down, and we are now going to split orange and pink into two, bringing it behind yellow and red, or you can also look at it as yellow and red coming forward, whichever one works. We're going to bring yellow and red up, out of the way, and tie orange and pink here together. Now orange and pink is below red and yellow, therefore we're going to bring this back down. So now you guessed it, we're going to go ahead and split yellow and red, bringing it behind orange and pink, or in other words, bringing orange and pink forward. And we're going to tie yellow and red behind it, right here. Orange and pink are in front of it now, so we're going to split this one into two, and we're going to make it go behind red and yellow, or bring yellow and red forward. And we're going to tie pink and orange right here. We're going to go ahead and split yellow and red in half, and we're going to bring it behind orange and pink and tie it right here. And then when you're done, you can either tie them all together right here or leave them as is. Mannequin heads are out. Go ahead and take out your yellow section, which is a horseshoe shape on top. This is your yellow, and we're going to tie it right here. All right, step number 2, we're going to remove yellow out of the way. And we are going to grab our orange sections. So you're going to grab it from the front of the face to the middle back, front of the face on the other side to the middle back. You can actually grab it all the way across. Use a comb or your fingers to keep this clean. And I am going to tie this orange section right here. So my orange section is below yellow. Now that yellow is on top and orange is on the bottom, we are going to split yellow in half, bring orange through, make yellow go to the back, and I'm going to leave orange up here. I'm going to use a bobby pin to help me keep orange on top. Alright, here's my yellow. You can either tie it right here, right now, or you can grab red while you're at it, which red is your whole section right here. You can grab it straight across. And I'm going to join it as one with yellow. And I'm going to tie it right here. So my yellow and my red are going to be below orange. Now that it's tied, orange is on top, it's going to come back down. Bringing orange back down, I need to split it in half because I need this to now go behind yellow and red. Here we go, splitting it in half, bringing yellow and red forward. Orange is now behind, yellow and red are going to go on top, away, and I'm going to pin it there so it stays. Alright, here's my orange. You can tie it here to keep everything under control. If you can't handle it, just grab it all. This is pink, literally. Pink section and your orange, grab it, bring it together as one and tie it right there. Now red and yellow are going to come back down and they're going to be above pink and orange. Now this section, yellow and red, needs to go behind. So I'm going to split it in half. Bring it behind orange and pink, bringing orange and pink forward. And I'm going to tie yellow and red right here. Yellow and red are below orange and pink. So therefore now orange and pink needs to go behind so we can continue this look. So I am splitting orange and pink in half, bringing it to the back, bringing this section forward. So I'm going to tie this behind right here. Alright, let's do this one more time. Whatever section is on top, you split in half because you want to bring this behind this other section down here. You bring this one behind, bringing this one forward. And then you tie it right here. And at the end, you can either keep it like this or you can tie it one more time right here. So I'm going to tie it one more time. All of it together. All 4 sections. Now if you want, we can pull. So let's go ahead and pull. Start with the bottom one. Start on the edge. Pull on the edge. Just a little bit. Pull on the edge. Always hang on to the hair tie. There's my hair tie, and I'm hanging on to it as I'm pulling. You never know. You never want to yank the hair. Find the other hair tie. There it is. Hanging on to it before I'm pulling. Pull. Hang on to the next one, which is right here. Hanging on to it. Now I'm pulling. And as I'm pulling here, it's also tugging down here. So then you have to go back and tug again. Hanging onto the hair tie before I pull to the right. Now I'm going to hang on to this one so I can pull the very top one. And you pull on it until you are satisfied.